Last episode, we learned how light allows you to see things. This time, we discuss how Sue Storm, also known as the Invisible Woman, uses this to her advantage. Remember the wall and the ball we talked about last time? To recap, I showed you how light works by taking the example of a ball being thrown in the dark. When it hits a wall and comes back at you, you know there's a wall there. But what happens if there's a small hole in the wall? When you throw the ball, it may go through the hole. So you'll think there's no wall and continue walking. However, unfortunately, you will walk face first into a wall. Why? Because as far as you know, since the ball didn't bounce back at you, there's nothing there. That is how invisibility works. If someone or something manages to have the light go around it instead of hitting it and bouncing back, no one will be able to see it at all. As you have now seen, if the light never hits the object, it will be invisible. You might be a little confused because you've always been told that light always travels in a straight line. But in fact, there's a certain phenomenon that allows light to bend. Well, my friends, that is a phenomenon called refraction. Refraction is the phenomenon of waves, in this case light, bending. It happens when light moves from one medium to another, like from air to glass or from water to air. That's why your straws sometimes appear bent when they're put in a glass half full with water. But how does Sue Storm use this? We've been told that she just manipulates cosmic energy to make herself invisible. But my friend Physics and I have a very different explanation. We know that she can make shapes and force fields using only her mind, and that those are also invisible but solid. Therefore, even though you don't see it, the light near her is moving through a different medium which makes it refract. This is why I think that she creates lenses that refract the light around her and therefore make her invisible. So you see, or actually you don't see, how Sue Storm can become invisible. You have been watching another episode of Super Science. This is the show where I show you how superheroes use physics, and you absorb this information and become a physics master yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, read comics, and watch movies. Super Science out!